In this video, we will design full adder using gate level modeling in Verilog HDL. Full adder adds 3 binary digits, so it will have 3 inputs and 2 outputs. The truth table for the full adder is given by this, and if we write down the Boolean expression for sum, it is given as A's or B's or C, whereas the expression for the carry is given by this. So based on this Boolean expression, the logic diagram for the full adder is given by this. So sum is A's or B's or C, and this is the carry. Now in this video, we will design and simulate the full adder using online simulator. So let's get started with the designing and simulation of full adder using gate level modeling. So this is the design module for the full adder. It will start with the keyword module, then will come the name to the module, and then will come the list of the ports. Now looking at the block diagram, we know that it will have 5 ports. So we have to give 5 elements over here, and we will always give the output ports before the input ports. Then we have to declare the input ports. So A, B, C are the inputs, and sum and carry are the output ports. Now looking at this circuit diagram, we see that there are few connections which are neither the input ports nor the output ports. So we have labeled them as W, X, and Y. And that is the reason we are declaring these 3 connections to be the wire type. Then we have to simply make use of the gate primitives. So for this particular XOR gate, we are using this gate primitive. This is the XOR. Then we have to give the output of this XOR, which is W, and the inputs are A and B respectively. For the second XOR gate over here, we see that sum is the output, which we are taking as S, and W and C are the inputs to the second XOR gate. Then comes this AND gate. So in this AND gate, output is X, and the one input is W, and the second input is C. Then for the second AND gate, we see that the output is Y, and the input to this second AND gate is A and B respectively, and that is why we are giving A and B over here. And finally, we have the OR gate. This OR gate has the final carry as the output, and the inputs to this OR gate, we see that it is X and Y. So we have given X and Y over here. And then finally, we have to terminate the module with the keyword end module. So this is how the design module for the full adder using gate level modeling will be described. Now, once the design module is ready, we have to test it. So for that, again, we have to write down the stimulus or the test bench for the full adder. So this is the test bench for the full adder. It will start with the keyword module, then the name of the test bench. Then we don't have to pass any port list over here. In the next line, we have to declare all the inputs to be register type and all the output ports to be the wire type. Then we have to instantiate the design module which we have to test. So since we are testing now the full adder design module, which we have named as FA, so again we'll be instantiating that using this FA word over here. FA1 is again the instance name, and then will come the port list, and again the number of ports must match with the number of ports given in the design module definition. Then after that, we have to start with the initial, begin, and within the initial, begin, and end, again we have to give all the possible input combinations. So we are giving 8 input possible combinations for 3 inputs starting from line number 24 to line number 30. And if we execute this program, we can check whether our design module is working correctly or not. So let us execute this and see what do we get. So on execution, we see that the entire truth table is displayed for the full adder, and you can see that we are getting the correct outputs corresponding to all the possible different inputs which we have given over here. So this is how we can design full adder using gate level modeling in Verilog HDL. Now, based on whatever you have learned in these 3 videos on the topics half adder, half subtractor, and full adder, now you can design any combinational circuit using gate level modeling in Verilog HDL. You must try to design full subtractor, multiplexers, demultiplexers, decoders, and encoders. I am quite hopeful that there wouldn't be any difficulty in designing and writing down the test bench for any complex combinational surface. In case you find any difficulty, you can write down your questions in the comment section of this video.